In today's video, I will tell you how you can get 50% discount on Submagic, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. This is a limited time 48-hour deal only, so click on the first link in the description. Sign in to your Submagic account, go to pricing, choose any of the plans you want, and make sure you opt for the yearly plan to get the 40% discount. Today, on Friday, November 24th, and Saturday, November 25th, as part of the Black Friday sale, Submagic is offering a 40% discount on their yearly plans. You can use my promo code to get an additional 10% off, making it a total of a 50% discount. Click on Pay Now. Enter my promo code WBExplainer to get an extra 10% off. This way you will get a total of 50% off. You can now go ahead and fill the remaining details and complete your payment. If you want a detailed video about Submagic and how to use it to create AI captions in just one click, make sure you check out this video. Thanks for watching.